To check and fix your responsive behavior and accessibility on your Wix Studio website, go to the Site Checker feature in the bottom left corner of your Wix Studio editor. Here you can fix responsive and accessibility issues. Let's fix responsive issues first. You can select and scan each page one by one. Let's start with the home page. It's now scanning the page on all breakpoints, and once the scan has finished, you can see all the issues and how you can fix them. For example, here is one issue under welcome. You can click on it and then just remove the margin so it looks better, and this issue is fixed. You can now do it for all the issues and scan all the pages. And then we are going to check the accessibility issues. Just click on Scan Site. You can either wait for it to finish, or you can already start fixing these problems while running the scan. For example, we have here one issue under the home page, Add Alt Text to Images. Just click on it and then click on Get Started. You can now use AI and just click on Generate, or you can just click inside the images one by one and describe it by yourself. It is important for SEO. If this image has just a decorative nature or just some kind of symbol, just check this box right here and then click on Apply. And this way you can check all these issues. Of course it takes some time, but it's worth it to use the site checker so your website will be full responsive and accessible. Thanks for watching.